Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Healing with Michael. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Today we are going to focus on the key word to finding spiritual solutions to real problems. Come along and let's keep it moving. Thanks. Thank you for joining us. I want to remind you guys that the purpose of these YouTubes is basically to extend the work that I do in my live workshops here in Northern California, to help people to connect to their inner resources, for them to develop a far better relationship with themselves, and to move through significant issues in our life and work, things that bring us anxiety, things that bring us a sense of anger, and help us to really maximize ourselves in ways where we're really healing and focusing on how we're feeling. So the key word behind much of my work is this one: detachment. Welcome to the Redwood Forest of Arcata, California. So this is one of the places that I come to when I am practicing detachment. I will get to the edge of the forest where I will say, now I'm leaving everything behind, and really have that intention so that I can enter the environment of the forest and be taken over. Just allow myself to be completely engulfed by the pure positive energy of this environment. And when I do that, it's as if that I'm learning a new language. And ultimately, it's going to come back to the emotional tone of the forest. And to me, this is detachment in action. These trees are not needing their mom to call. These trees are not depending on that raise to happen. These trees are not in angst because they have no idea how to leave the corporate world. These trees are in a state of detachment. They just are. So what we're going to do is some mirroring communication practice with affirmations. I'm going to give you I statements to say. I want you to mirror them back exactly as you hear them, as if you were the one saying them. If you can't say it, just skip it. Let it go. That in some way it relates to you on a general level and perhaps helps you detach from whatever it is that you're going through emotionally in your life, to feel this healing, soothing energy that comes from the practice of mirroring, or that comes from this environment. And your job is to mirror back exactly what you hear I say, or read it in the captions below, so that hopefully it has some meaning to you. So let's begin. I have real problems in my life and in my work. Mirror that back. Sometimes these problems can overwhelm me. Again, mirroring that back. I like the idea that no matter what I'm feeling or going through, that I can detach. I like the feeling of detaching from all my relations. When I detach, I don't have to have the answers. When I practice detachment, I am taking responsibility for my life. When I practice detachment, I receive guidance. Really good job. Thanks for practicing. I hope that you get from this little practice the idea that a shift in an environment will help you detach from difficulties, that receiving, just practicing my words back, just focusing on what I'm saying, mirroring it back, that puts you into receiving mode. You've got to focus on what's coming at you and detach from all your thoughts or anxieties or criticisms or opinions or any of that. Receiving, particularly with communication, puts you in that state. And then when you get into that state, receptive state, feeling lighter, feeling like you're surrounded by clarity, really listening, not letting negativity get in the way, you're connecting to a different dimension of emotional feeling. That dimension in itself is the solution. You become a beautiful, enlightened, lovely, amazing, important being. So you heard a little bit about the online workshop that happens every 3 months. I hope you consider taking part in that. And there's some other next steps. If any of you are interested in coaching anywhere in the world, you could try one coaching session for free, your initial session right now. Just go to my website, michaeljasonsherman.com, and check out both the coaching tab. And if you're a leader, an executive, a manager, and you're interested in how mirroring communication can help relieve stress at work, to help improve an environment, help you make better decisions, be a better leader and set a better tone, you can partake in a free initial session for you or for you and your team by going to the corporate wellness page of michaeljasonsherman.com. If you're interested more in the solo travel experience, check out my book, The ZEN of Solo Travel. You can get it at thezenofsolotravel.com. The byline is A Journey from Anxiety to Enlightenment. And this book was all about a trip where I detached from everything, went to Japan to go on a journey of self-discovery and find out through my being in Japan if I was ready for fatherhood. And coming home I was, but I didn't know it at the time. This was in 2005. There's a lot more to the story, a lot of humor, a lot of truth, and you can check it out again at thezenofsolotravel.com. I hope you enjoy the video. Again, participate in some of the next steps. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and always remember to keep it moving. I'm here to help, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.